Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, on a very humid Thursday afternoon here in the Big Apple overlooking the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And guess what? I'm actually in a great mood. And I think you know why. Because the weekend, it's about to begin. Saturday, that's the 4th of July. And because the holiday falls on the weekend, the extended holiday begins tomorrow, the day before. So get your barbecues ready, load up your cooler, because we're getting it started early. That's right, it's time for a red, white, and blue happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they continue to trade mildly lower this Thursday afternoon as investors take in a soft jobs report and amid continuing developments in regards to Greece. Now, regarding those developments in Greece, let's continue the trend, I should say, and let's talk about Greece as reports surfaced stating that the International Monetary Fund warned in its preliminary draft of its latest debt sustainability report that Greece would need an extension of its EU loans and a large debt write-off if it grows more slowly than expected and if economic reforms are not implemented. Now, the document added that Athens needs about 51.9 billion euros between October 2015 and December 2018. And yes, the Greek stock exchange, if you are wondering, as well as local banks, remaining closed for a fourth consecutive day. Now, back here in the U.S., stock futures initially rising before pairing gains after U.S. non-farm payrolls showed the creation of 223,000 jobs and an unemployment rate of 5.3%. However, that decline in unemployment was due to a sharp fall in labor force participation to its lowest level since October 1977. Wasn't even born yet. Meanwhile, hourly wages for June, they were unchanged, and May's figures were revised lower down to 254,000, while wage growth came in at 0.2%. And in additional news, we had weekly jobless claims figures coming in at 281,000, while factory orders for May showing a 1% decline. Again, all of this data released today because tomorrow the markets are closed. Now, you team that with the U.S. dollar continuing to weaken, crude oil futures for August up about 82 cents to 57.75 a barrel, and gold futures down just about $6 to 11.6350 an ounce. And with the markets closed again, I have to say it, well, closed tomorrow again, we have yourself a session right behind me where advancers are just a slight bit ahead of the decliners, obviously at the big board. Let's take a look now to see how the markets have shaped up to almost close out this trading session and week. And for more corporate news, take a look at the Market Movers report from earlier in the day with Modern Wall Street's own Sarah Pizzone. They're happy. They're getting out of here. I'm happy. I'm getting out of here. They just heard that the markets are closed on Friday. I don't think they know. And guess what? I'm happy too. So until Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, goodbye.